Chocolate has been consumed by humans for thousands of years. The first recorded use of chocolate dates back to the ancient Mesoamerican cultures, such as the Aztecs and Mayans, who used cacao beans to make a bitter, frothy beverage. The scientific name for the cacao tree, from which chocolate is derived, is Theobroma cacao, which means food of the gods in Greek. The Aztecs believed that chocolate had mystical and aphrodisiac powers, and it was often reserved for use by the ruling classes and during religious ceremonies. The first chocolate bar was made in Switzerland in 1819, by François Louis Caillard. Chocolate contains a number of chemicals that can affect our mood and behavior, including caffeine, theobromine, and phenylethylamine. These chemicals can promote feelings of pleasure, happiness, and even love. Dark chocolate is actually good for you in moderation. It contains antioxidants called flavonoids, which can help protect against heart disease and lower blood pressure. The world's largest chocolate bar weighed in at over 12,000 pounds, and was made in Italy in 2012. White chocolate isn't technically chocolate, as it doesn't contain any cocoa solids. Instead, it's made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk. The chocolate industry is worth over $100 billion worldwide. The world's most expensive chocolate is made by a company called Toic, and sells for over $500 per bar. The chocolate is made from rare cacao beans grown in Ecuador and is aged for up to 3 years to enhance its flavor. Chocolate was used as currency in some cultures, including the Aztecs, who used cacao beans as a form of currency for trade. The first chocolate Easter egg was made in England in the early 19th century, and since then, chocolate eggs have become a popular Easter tradition. The largest chocolate sculpture ever created was a 4,484-pound statue of the Hindu goddess Kali, made in India in 2017. Switzerland is the world's largest consumer of chocolate, with the average Swiss person consuming over 20 pounds of chocolate per year. The chocolate chip cookie was invented by Ruth Wakefield, who ran the Toll House Inn in Massachusetts in the 1930s. She added chunks of chocolate to her cookie recipe, and the rest is history. The world's oldest chocolate bar is over 100 years old and is kept at the Cadbury Chocolate Factory in England. Chocolate can be lethal to dogs and cats because it contains a compound called theobromine, which they can't metabolize as well as humans. Even small amounts of chocolate can cause vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, and even death in pets. In ancient times, chocolate was often used as medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including fatigue, fever, and digestive issues. The word chocolate comes from the Nahuatl word chocolatl, which means bitter water. The world's first chocolate factory was opened in Switzerland in 1819 by François Louis Caillard. Chocolate was once used as a form of payment for soldiers during World War II. The U.S. military commissioned chocolate companies to produce specially designed chocolate bars for soldiers that could withstand extreme temperatures and provide them with energy. The largest chocolate company in the world is Nestlé, which produces brands like Kit Kat, Crunch, and Smarties. Chocolate can improve cognitive function and memory because it contains flavanols, which can increase blood flow to the brain. The most popular chocolate bar in the world is Snickers, which was named after the Mars family's favorite horse. Chocolate was once considered a luxury item and was only consumed by the wealthy. It wasn't until the 19th century that chocolate became more widely available and affordable to the general public. The chocolate industry is one of the most heavily dependent on child labor, particularly in West Africa where over 70% of the world's cocoa beans are produced. Chocolate can be used as a natural cough suppressant. The theobromine in chocolate has been shown to be more effective at reducing coughs than codeine, a commonly used cough medicine. The world's largest chocolate festival is held annually in Italy, attracting over 1 million visitors. Chocolate can be used to make savory dishes as well as sweet ones. In Mexico, mole sauce is made with chocolate, and in the Philippines, chocolate is used to flavor meat dishes. The first chocolate-covered candy bar was made by the Cadbury Company in England in 1920. The candy bar was called the Flake, and it's still sold today.